effective team building by options and ideas. Team building, also known as team development, is the process of turning a group of people into an effective team. This initiative typically focuses on strengthening the bonds between team members so they work as a cohesive unit, communicate effectively, and accomplish common goals together. Why is team building so important? Develops important skills. Employees are the building blocks of a great team. Help them hone their skills, and watch as your team's performance improves. 2. Improves collaboration and trust. Team development exercises foster collaboration, trust between group members, which ultimately helps them work better together. 3. Encourages creative problem solving. By regularly engaging employees, creative thinking and problem solving skills through team building activities, you prime them to perform well in real world situations that require those skills, even when under pressure. 4. Increases employee engagement, satisfaction. Employees WHO enjoy working with their colleagues, and managers tend to be more productive, engaged, and satisfied with their work experience than those WHO don't. Types of team building activities to do in your organization. Communication exercises. Strong communication skills are crucial to the success of any team, and even more so with remote and hybrid ones. So, exercises that improve employee communication skills are a key part of team building. Problem-solving activities. Problem-solving activities tend to focus on building analytical skills, creative thinking, decision-making, and adaptability, abilities employees need to work effectively with their teammates and discover creative solutions to organizational problems and removes conflict. Skills-based activities. With the landscape of work constantly changing, it's important to keep employees up to date on the latest industry developments and skills needed to excel in their roles. Value-based activities. Including value-based exercises in your team-building strategy shows employees that you're serious about your company mission and values, while also enabling them to make in value-based activities. Team bonding. The benefits are well worth the downtime, as employees WHO are able to create and maintain friendships at work are almost 3 times as likely to be their most productive selves. Tips for effective team building. Choose the right activities for your team. To make the most of your team building efforts, it's important to be thoughtful and strategic about the activities you choose. Remember that different activities focus on strengthening different aspects of your team dynamic. Conduct team building activities on a regular basis. Team development should be done on a regular basis to ensure your team gets the most out of it, but the timing and frequency of these activities is up to your discretion. Thank you.